So I spoke a little bit around how in TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, they look at the blood as being very, very weak and deficient if you're anxious. So because your spirit rises up, and that's why you have this kind of really anxious feeling, and your spirit grounds into your blood. So that's again a link between a lot around diet, I think, and mental health. So things that you can do to change your diet in order to nourish your blood, according to TCM, and better house your spirit and avoid those anxious moments would be things like meat. If you eat meat, then meat's a good one for it. If not, you've got your like leafy veggies like kale and also broccoli is a really good one as well, and things like that. So those really dark green veggies are really great for that. Anything really, if you can think, that would improve the iron within Western medicine as well. So maybe an iron supplement would be very good for you as well. A good one, I have to highlight that because there's some shocking ones on the market, but do your research and try and get something really good. Wild Nutrition is a great brand if you're stuck. That's just one that I use. They don't pay me anything for saying that, but that is one that I use if you're stuck. But yeah, so those really healthy leafy greens. You've got an iron supplement. You can have meat as well if that works for you. So give it a go. See if you can improve your diet and also improve your mood.